Welcome back, everyone, to Expert Crypto. We have a lot to get into this episode. A lot of exciting stuff. Next phase, I would say, in this altcoin push that we're having, this altcoin cycle. We really need to be looking out for 3 or 4 specific things I'm going to get into this video, and we're just going to go over some stuff that's happened. Make sure to hit that like button, guys. But what we're going to talk about is exactly where you guys are at. All right, we've made a lot of profits. We've made more profits than any other channel on YouTube. I can guarantee that in this past week or two. And right now, what we're looking at right now is this is the Ethereum Classic graph, guys. This is the Ethereum Classic graph. And what I see happening, right? What I see happening with this is we're still going to have these insane run-ups, guys. People know that every time Ethereum has been pushing, Ethereum Classic will push as well. We noticed this. We picked up on this very early before anyone else did. We don't care about Bitcoin Cash, really, all right? Ethereum Classic is going to outperform Bitcoin Cash. It has been. It's going to outperform Bitcoin Gold. And we really have been making a lot of profits off this, right? And guys, look how beautiful this chart is. Look how beautiful this chart is. Look where we caught it at. We caught it before this even, but I'm just pointing this out because this is when the majority of you guys bought into it. Yes, so we're up over 5x in the matter of a week, right? And I'm going to tell you guys right now, you guys should probably hold this because we're going to see a trend with Ethereum, a support level with Ethereum, that if Ethereum breaks this support level, we're going to see, we're not only going to see Ethereum Classics pump off as well, we're going to see Ethereum pump. But more importantly, when Ethereum pumps, Ethereum Classic will pump as well. You guys can mine this, by the way. This is a very, very, very important thing for you guys to mine. I was mining this before anyone else was, and it's paid off, guys. It's paid off. I knew this was going to happen. So let me really get into the Ethereum graph. This is what we're really paying attention to right now. We're on the next phase where we're seeing this money still going to Ethereum, guys, but it's transferring into these alts as well. And we're going to be able to really benefit from that. And we're going to see a lot of these small caps pump off. We'll get into that later in the video. But we really want to have some safe trades in mind, guys. We want to have some safe trades in mind. And what do I mean by safe trades? I mean, hold on to Ethereum, hold on to Ethereum's classics, and really just put small allocations into these altcoins that we're going to go over. So Bitcoin, by the way, we'll go over Bitcoin a little bit, not too much to go over. I do see Bitcoin's price not affecting Ethereum too much. If Ethereum goes into a dip, that would mean Bitcoin would have to go down 3 to 4%. And I don't see that happening, guys. Ethereum's price does not matter with Bitcoin. We've seen this correlation the past few days, and it's been absolutely great. And it's going to continue, guys. But we have a major support level that's almost being broken right now. We're in all-time highs with Ethereum right now. We're in all-time highs. And it does look like it's breaking, guys. It does look like it's breaking. So what do we see here? We see this high right here, right? We see this high, and we've been seeing lows, right? We've been seeing lows down there. And now we saw this higher high right there. And guys, look at right here. This is looking like it's really going to break out. Let me zoom in a little bit. This is really looking bullish in the charts. I'm going to be doing these tutorial videos, by the way. We're going to be going over every single thing you guys need to know. I'm going to make these tutorial videos so easy that you guys could have your mom or your grandma watch these tutorial videos, and they will be able to trade. I'm probably going to be posting like 3 or 4 of them a day. They're very easy for me to record, and I'm trying to get that out and finished within the next 2 weeks, so you guys could still benefit with this during altcoin season, right? So all-time highs with Ethereum, all-time highs with Ethereum Classics. Why aren't other people going to be buying into Ethereum's Classics, right? We've seen the FOMO into it. We've seen the FOMO into it, and this is just the beginning, guys. This is just the beginning of the FOMO into ETC, because we're gonna see Ethereum definitely have a run up, guys. Definitely have a run up in the next couple days. We're gonna really need to pay attention to that because that's gonna really benefit the rest of our portfolio, because we do have a large part of our portfolio in ETC. And let me get into some small caps real quick. We will go through some other trades that we have. Let me get into Altcoin as well, guys. Look at these gains that we're getting on this channel. Look at these gains that we're getting on this channel, all right? So we did say a sell point for Altcoin was around 40 cents or 4 cents. We did hit that. I do see it. I do see the next sell point being around 50 cents, and then probably 74 cents, and then or 7.4 cents, and then 1 or 10 cents. Sorry guys, a little confusing there. me drink some coffee. If you guys are looking for an entry point on Altcoin, I'd be very, very careful with this. I'd be very careful. It's already ran up 450 odd percent. When something runs 450%, right, and you weren't in it, it's probably best just to back away from it, okay? It's probably best to just back away from it. But I do see you guys being able to probably have an entry point around 3.5 cents. I do see this wick bouncing back up if it does wick down that low, which if there's a little dip in Bitcoin, I do see that happening. So yes, we are doing very good on both of those trades, but the main one is ETC, guys. We had a large part of our portfolio into it, absolutely skyrocketed. All right, that's the main one. Having your portfolio go up that much in just a matter of a few days is great. It's great, and we called it, guys. We called it. So, like I said, Ethereum's up 7% today. Bitcoin is not doing too well today, and Ethereum does just not care. And let's look at the Bitcoin dominance, guys. Look how much it's falling. Look how much we've fallen. Right? We did see Bitcoin have that little push, and you want to know what? Alts do not care. Alts do not care. Everyone's getting into alts right now. There's a lot of hopium going through the air. There's a lot of stuff that you guys need to understand with this cycle. We're entering the phase where it's really getting hectic. Okay, we're having people really just FOMO into all of these alts right now, and it's going to continue like this for the next month. And I do see it only lasting a month, guys. I really do. Maybe 2 to 3 months, just because there's more and more new people getting into it, as there was in 2017. Maybe 1 to 3 months. We're gonna see these prices rise very quickly, and just be prepared to be taking some profits right now, because if there is a little dip in the market, it'll be a great entry point, especially when you could really see how profitable these coins are. Because when there's a dip in the market, we can tell how strong things are on technical analysis, and how strong investors are on it. I just went through Telecoin, and my end by the end of this bull run, or my prediction, is probably going to be 15 cents to probably 10 cents. I don't see it going higher than that. Maybe 20 cents. We have seen things in 2017 to 2018. In the matter of a month, they've pulled off 10 to 20x's. We had XRP in 2017 pull off at 35x in just a month. So these things do happen in the bull run. A lot of money going absolutely everywhere. And we do have a lot of opportunities to make a lot of gains. That's why you guys should be diversified. But with these strong positions like ETC, right? We're very, very bullish on Ethereum. And ETC is extremely undervalued. We threw a large part of our portfolio into it. And that's a conviction play right there. That's a play that's very safe. We're bullish on Ethereum. ETC is going to go up, right? But with these small caps, it's like you guys really need to be putting small parts of your portfolio into it, okay? Because you can make a lot of gains from these high caps. Don't think that these small caps are the only ones that are going to be pulling off these 10x's or these 5x's, okay? We did get that from a high cap even, all right? So multiple high caps. So let me go through some small caps and some other things in the market. I'll go through some other things as well. We had Atom take off today. We do not have any Cosmos in our portfolio. I do see them probably getting around $30 and then consolidating out. That's a hard support for them. I have looked into their TA quite a bit. So we really want to look out for right now, especially, is you guys need to stick to your strategies. We've been talking about how important it is to have strategy, to be taking your profits, and to be really investing into strong projects that are looking good with technical analysis. And I will teach you guys technical analysis in the next week or two, very in depth. But what do I mean by that? Just for right now, just make sure to buy on the dips, guys. Make sure to buy on the dips. Buy on red days. When you see a green day like this, you guys get excited and you guys really want to buy. A lot of you people end up buying on green days like this. I've seen it happen quite a lot. But let's get into FTM as well. We saw FTM hit off our sell level. We sold some FTM. We still have some left, and if it drops around 70 cents, we're going to accumulate some more FTM. Very bullish on them. They're bound to have a breakout, guys. It's going to happen. Their charts are looking so bullish. I'll go into FTM charts later. 1 inch as well. I do see 1 inch consolidating around $10. Maybe we'll see a 40% run up within the next week or two with them. $7 right now is all-time highs for 1 inch, right? But I think they actually hit 7.25 cents. What did they hit? I was looking at them earlier. I'm not gonna buy any of them, to be honest. But if you guys were invested in them, I always recommend people on Coinbase. Before this thing took off, I was always like, put your money in 1inch. Put your money in 1inch. 1inch is one of the best dexes that's on Coinbase, in my opinion. They took off today, but I do see probably around $8 to $8.50 to $10 is a great selling point to be taking profits on them. And we do see Chainlink, by the way. I am bullish on Chainlink, guys, but it's probably only going to go to $60 to $70 in the next week or two. And yes, that's a lot of gains. That's a great amount of gains, but we did hit that sell point around $50. Told you guys to take a large part of your profits on that just because Chainlink is moving very slow right now. And a lot of people have been hyping up Chainlink. I don't see them, guys. I don't see them really pulling off a 3 or 4x or a 2x by the end of this next month, right? By the end of May, I don't see them really pulling off more than a 3x, maybe a 2x. We'll have to see, but a lot of things are going to be able to do that. So I would say another price target would be to sell around 30% around the $60 level. And I'll look at the charts as well when that happens. I might change my opinion if the charts are looking good enough. All right, so we're going to be going over some small cap oracles I'm very bullish on, guys. There's a few small cap oracles that I see that are looking very good right now. I'm pulling them up right now. I would just put small allocations into these. First one is going to be Orion. Why am I so bullish on oracles? I am bullish on Chainlink, right? But what is going to have an adverse effect on Chainlink, right? These oracles are very undervalued. This one's through Atom, by the way, Cosmos. And you guys are going to see this probably pull off a 2x within the next week or two. I do see that, and I would really make sure to sell your profits, take your profits when you guys get that 2x with this one. Even sell some when you guys are up around 50%, 50 to 40%. This one is really promising. I have gone through them quite a lot in the past, but I do see them at a great buy zone right now. I don't have the charts pulled up on them, but they are looking very good. If you guys want to go look at the TA on them, this is another small cap that I accumulated today. And I'm sharing with you guys small caps that I bought today. Okay, so this isn't like I'm just telling you guys random ones that I bought a while ago. I don't think they have it on here. They don't. Never mind on that one. KYL. We'll go through KYL. All right, so KYL is a Polkadot oracles, right? Look how low they are right now. They're reaching all-time lows. I do see this being a support level right here. We did see a break in the bottom of the support level, right? And it is consolidating back upwards. I do see them breaking out, especially in these upcoming weeks. You guys do not want to sell these oracles. You really do not. So definitely small allocations in these guys, but these are looking very, very promising. We're going to probably be taking profits 40-50% and then around 100%. And then we're going to be bouncing to some other plays, okay? Because these oracles are going to pop off within the next week or two, especially with you guys. If Chainlink hits $60, those oracles will definitely be around 2x from where they're at. I'm just going to throw that out there. So, oh geez, guys, look at Ethereum Classic is absolutely pumping right now. We're up 62% today, guys. 62% today. We're up 269% in the past 7 days. Congratulations, guys. That's a very good gain right there. I'm probably going to have you guys hold Ethereum Classic. We're not going to be taking any profits with them unless Ethereum is looking bearish. And I don't see Ethereum Classic really slowing down anytime soon, guys. I don't see it. Especially the hype behind it hasn't even been really where it was, where it should be at. So where we're really looking to see the hype for Ethereum Classics go to is we want to see this thing trending, okay? It hasn't been trending. And normally when you see something pump this much and it's not trending, that relates to institutions that are buying it or these large investors that are buying it. And that's what's happening right now. I've been looking at the buy orders. There's a lot of big whales that are buying it up right now. This isn't small investors. This isn't this Reddit thing or whatever. A lot of people think that a lot of people are buying it on Robinhood. And they think that this is the next Dogecoin. That's not the case, guys. That's not the case. I'm telling you that right now. We're seeing a lot of big buy orders by these big investors around $100 to $120. And that's big, okay? To know that this thing is being bought by large investors at that price, that gives me a lot of confidence in this crypto. And we've had confidence in this one for a while. That's why I was mining it. I wouldn't be mining something if I didn't have confidence in it, guys. Probably one of my best investments, honestly, was doing that. But we really want to be holding this. We want to be holding this to around $250 to, I would say, $350. We're definitely going to be taking a lot of profits then. I will get into that later, though, because we still need to wait for the charts, guys. I mean, this thing does run up around 50% a day the past couple days. We'll have to see, but my guess is we're probably going to need to wait for Ethereum to make some more movements for this to really break 250. We got to see a 3750 Ethereum for this to break 200, okay? Once we hit a 4K Ethereum, we will see probably around a $300 ETC, maybe even 350, all right? So very bullish on ETC overall. One of the best buys you guys could ever make in the past couple of weeks, and we were able to do it. That's a great thing to see. Safe buy, guys, safe buy. And TEL is kind of hitting this 3.5 support level, so this could be an entry point. If any of you apes want to ape into something that's up 300 or 400% on the week, you guys can go right ahead. We are up, I believe, almost 300% when it hits 0.045. So let me go through some more small caps. All right. So ERSDL is having a 1,000 APY staking event coming up soon. I believe they're probably up today. Yeah, they're up 32% today. Wow, guys. When did we start? I think we talked about ERSDL on this channel like last month around 33 cents, 34 cents, maybe around a little higher than that. I've had them since 1 cent, guys. I've had them since 1 cent. And I do not understand why people are really selling them, okay? Yes, I'm taking some of my profits because I want to be throwing them into these long-term plays. But with my ERSDL, guys, I've had them since 1 cent. And want to know what I've done? I've just kept on accumulating more. And I did sell some recently, but my main goal with ERSDL is just to accumulate more. I will sell them around $4 to $5. That's my to get out of ERSDL point, right? Because I feel like, yes, they do have an ability to go to $20 billion or $10 billion. But at the same time, I really want to catch these other companies that are going to do the same thing that ERSDL did and diversify my portfolio some, because ERSDL is one of my largest positions. It's actually not my largest position. My largest position right now is ETC. And yeah, these positions have just became large over the past week or two. So it's a great thing to see. I do see $2 being a sell-off point, by the way. I know a lot of people in the ERSDL community. I'm very involved in the ERSDL community, and a lot of people are going to be taking profits around $2. We're going to see a support level there, but I do see it blasting through it after a little consolidation, guys. Look at every single dip. Look how beautiful these charts are. And this has to do with the 1,000% APY that they're releasing if you guys stake them. But look how it's been bouncing off of every single dip since March, right? Look at this trend upwards, guys. It's absolutely phenomenal. Very bullish on ERSDL. All right, let's go over zero. DEXs are hot right now. DEXs are very hot right now. And zero is not, down a little bit, but we definitely see zero hitting around $5. Long term, it's just a matter of time, guys. AVAX ecosystem, and they really do have a lot of important events coming up. We go through them like every day. I saw someone asking me about them, but they are very good, guys. Just wait. Hold a small allocation in zero, large allocation in ERSDL. If you guys have your large allocation, I'd probably hold some, maybe sell 20 to 30% around $2. But that's if you guys are really trying to make plays. I would really say to hold ERSDL, guys. If you don't have that much of an allocation into them or a large part of your portfolio, hold them till they hit around $5 to $10. It will happen, okay? It will happen. Very safe play. We had Dogecoin go down too. I caught that one. So what else? Let me go over. All right, I have Manic, Chili's, Trias. Oh yeah, Trias had a run up today. What's my sell point for Trias? Let's go over that, guys. You guys got to be taking some profits on Trias. I know a lot of you guys have heard me talk about Trias multiple times. Okay. We talked about Trias, by the way. We talked about Trias since $1. All right. We were talking about them 9x ago, and now we've seen them grow up. And I believe they're a little bit too hyped up, guys. A little bit too hyped up. They're not making any revenue right now, and they're in this small cap bubble that I call it. Right. What's the small cap bubble? They don't have a lot of information coming out. They don't have a lot of revenue, and they need to be making money, and they need to be coming out with information. in order for them to be, in order for them to really hit this 5x, this 10x that we're really looking for from here, and definitely take a lot of profits. We're going to see a sell-off once the hype dies down with Trias. A lot of whales got in early, by the way. You guys got to be looking into exactly the wallet allocations. So definitely make sure to take some profits on Trias. I would say definitely take around 20 to 30% today. And if you guys are really trying to hold them long term, you guys will be able to buy them on another dip. I can promise you that. That's just my perspective on Trias. Maybe some people will hold them very, very long term because I do see them being a $1 billion company. I really do, but it's not going to be this year. It's going to be next year. Just because they have so much patents, they have so much technology that is probably next year's technology with the 5G patents and all that. But yeah, very, very promising with Trias, and you guys gotta keep your eye out on them. Definitely take some profits if you guys are up a significant amount. There's no reason not to. If you're already up 9x on them, go right ahead, guys. Go right ahead. All right, what else? Oh, let's see what glitch is at. This is another small cap that we caught up yesterday. I just want to check for fun. Oh, guys, look at now we are up. When did we catch them? 24. Yeah, we're up 4x on glitch now. Another 4x in the books. Okay, so we went over an 8x. We went over a 4x. And we went over another 6x, okay? So those were all in the past month. I've only been doing YouTube for around 4 weeks, guys. And look at what we've caught, all right? Look at what we've caught. This is showing how much of a bull market we're in. A lot of these YouTubers really don't pay attention to these small caps. I promise you guys right now, this is the middle of this bull market phase where these small caps are popping off. And we're seeing it. Anytime you guys see, anytime you guys will see the market do exactly what it does when we see stuff up 20, 30, 40%, all these high caps because Bitcoin took a little drop. This is what happens when we're in this altcoin season phase where everything's popping off, okay? First of all, we normally have Bitcoin accumulate money, right? Goes over to Ethereum because Bitcoin takes a dip, all right? So Bitcoin takes a dip, everything takes a dip, and then more money goes into Ethereum than Bitcoin. Just because of either some news or either more people are bullish on Bitcoin. Normally it was news. Back in 2017 it was news. But we were really looking for, right? We're really looking for after that phase. We see these high caps pump, right? We saw the high caps pump, and during the high cap pump, we were talking about these small caps. We saw these small caps pumping as well, and it's just been happening these past 3 or 4 days. We've seen these small caps accumulate so much money, guys. So much money. There's no reason not to take profits. Do not get caught in the everything's gonna 10x zone. The I'm in the sell Harambe before I get shot zone. All right, that's where you guys are at right now. You guys better sell something, or else you're gonna get shot like Harambe. And you guys do not want to have that happen to you. I've seen it happen. I've had it happen, and there's no reason not to take around 20 to 30% profits, right? So. I'm not talking about anything with Ethereum, just especially those small caps, right? Any high caps, especially with what the market is looking right now, we see them holding. We took a lot of profits on ADA, by the way. Let me get into ADA. We'll go into some more small caps, guys. We're up a significant amount. So things are looking good. This ADA trade. When did we get this ADA trade at? We got it at $1 almost. I think it was $1.10. We actually did get a buy order in, though. It dipped below $1, guys. ADA dipped below $1 during that flash crash. Just want to throw that out there. This was an easy trade. But look at this support level, guys. You guys can see the support level. Where is it bouncing off of? What is this right here? What's this top? Here, let me pull it up on here. This is an insane support level, guys. Did I not call this out? I mean, anyone could have called this out, guys. Anyone could have called this out. Look at this, guys. 66. We have the support level put in 166. ADA is not strong enough to really push over that, right? We're seeing a reconsolidation right now. Maybe if Bitcoin goes up, we're gonna see it go above it. But I really see that was its point to prove if it can do it, right? If it can really push over that 166, maybe get to 165 or 170, 175, and then take a little consolidation back down to 160, right? What we're going to see is we're going to see a breakout next, and then we're going to see another reconsolidation back down to 160, okay? And that's what's going to happen. It needs to hold that 166. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Whoops. Yeah, 166 zone. I know that's only like 3 or 4%, but that does mean a lot with ADA, as we have seen in the past, guys. Look at the past. We have not been able to break these higher highs, right? This might be the highest high that we have with ADA for the next couple days, and it was very smart to take some profits. I really don't see ADA going above 40% more, especially we're already up 60% on ADA. Why are we trying to make another 30 to 40% gains? Trying to hold them for a week or two, right? It doesn't make sense to me. Like, there's other coins to be making money off of. That's why I took a large position out of them. I still have 20% in ADA, right? I'm still gonna wait just because it's safe, but I wanted to take 80% out. I don't want to wait, okay? I don't want to wait. We have other coins that are pulling off 4x's, 3x's, 5x's. Like, why, right? Yeah. We have other trades in, we have whatever. It's altcoin season. We have to be taking profits, especially on something like ADA. I'm more bullish on DOT short term than ADA, okay? DOT still hasn't had its breakout. DOT had a little mini breakout right now. It's consolidating at an all-time high, or for the past like week. But it's consolidating at that all-time high, and I do see it breaking out to around 45 to 48. We do have a sell price around 45 to 50 or to 48 for DOT. That's a very, very good target for DOT to hold, or for DOT to hit. I don't understand, guys. I don't understand why DOT is so undervalued right now. It does not make sense. The fundamentals on DOT and the TA on DOT are looking so bullish, okay? And it's been on the verge of breaking out for the past week, and it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. It's just Bitcoin's been throwing a wrench in, guys. Yeah, look at, we hit that perfectly, guys. We hit that perfectly. We barely hit that one. But I did get some on that. So the next sell level, you guys see how far back these are. We really thought this was gonna hit back then, but you know what? Sometimes you gotta wait a little bit longer. Especially with DOT. I did put some leverage on this, guys. I did put some leverage. I have a lot of faith in DOT. Not saying that you guys need to do some leverage. We'll talk about leverage. At some point in the next week. You guys will know exactly what to do during a leverage trade. I'm going to be teaching you guys a lot. And you guys are not going to be the best at leverage. That's why you guys always have to be practicing. And if you're doing leverage, just do 2x, do 3x leverage, okay? After you guys watch those tutorial videos until you really get the hang of things, because anyone can win leverage trading in a bull market, okay? Anyone can do it. But during a bear market, if we do have dips, you guys could get liquidated, and it could be really bad. Set stop losses if you guys are. No more talking about that, but I really do see this as a consolidation point before the next breakout, right? We saw the wick up, and the trend right now, in my opinion, is consolidation, massive breakout, and I do see them breaking out to 48 from this one leg up. We saw it happen down here. We saw a large increase, like if it were to increase to 48, we saw it down here. Look how nice we caught this buy zone, guys. Look at this buy zone that we caught perfectly, right? We caught this one perfectly. We've been catching them perfectly. It's not hard to tell with DOT, all right? DOT's very, very easy to technically understand, and all these charts have been really. It's been really easy to do this trading in the bull market for us. Been very successful. It's hard to trade in the bear market. I'll get into that at some point. But right now, guys, we're just focused on making profits, and you guys better be learning how to trade, okay? I want you guys to watch those videos. I want you guys to really understand it, because this is something, if I send you guys off, if I go off of YouTube forever, you guys don't need to watch really anyone else. You guys can do this on your own, and you guys could be making these profits on your own. You guys don't need me, right? That's really where I want to get. I want to make this a community though, where we're equally helping people, because we all want to be successful, and the only thing that's stopping you guys from being successful is a learning barrier, and you guys do not have that learning knowledge yet, right? And that's what we're gonna get into for free. All right, so let's go over ETC one more time. I do want to be looking at them. I kind of have been all day. Let me go over Link. Luna, by the way, guys, we caught some Luna there. We really are looking at retesting the support. This is going to bounce out, guys. This is going to bounce out. Here. We're going to see Luna bounce, guys. It's definitely going to be pushing around 30 to 40%, maybe 60% in the next week or two. Luna's extremely undervalued. So just wanted to let you guys know that. Let's go to Link. All right. So we sold our Link, guys. We sold our Link here. All right. And I believe I put sell 30% at $50, but I told you guys to sell around 50 to 60%. This was just when I put this, and look how perfectly we hit it. We didn't almost hit it, guys. We didn't almost hit it. We hit it, okay? We hit it right on the dot. And we missed it by maybe $1, guys. Maybe $1 we missed it. So, yeah, we really need to make sure to definitely sell some of our link right now. There's a lot more gains to be made. And there's a lot more money in the market, right? This was just a little short-term trade. TLM staking. I'm not the biggest fan of Alien of TLM, guys. I do like VRA better. I see VRA as more potential. I did get in on the TLM push, but I see it kind of consolidating a little bit out. We might see a 50 to 60% run up in TLM in the next week. Let me go to TLM and show you guys their technical analysis. 50 to 60% sounds like nothing, I guess, right now. I'll go over them. All right, so that was a sell zone for TLM. All right, so did we hit this? What is this at? No, we were a few off. I didn't really update this one. So let me see what I see. So we have 3 support levels, right? One right here. It's about to break. It's been wicking out. We have one down here, and we have this top one right here now. Here, let me delete this one. So with TLM, I was looking at this, and you guys really have to understand that it needs to break out of this support level. If it breaks out of this support level, right here, this main one, we're most likely going to see another bounce up like we did right here. And why do I think that, right? We see the same sort of trend that we saw down here. We're seeing higher highs a little bit, and once TLM gets some higher highs and it gets its hype built up, we've seen a run up. But this thing hasn't been out too long, so it's very hard for me to accurately predict its technical analysis. But I do see a lot of hype around it. I see a lot of people talking about it. I see it trending, and when I see something trending, I see a lot of hype about it. When I see its social analytics going up, I believe 34% today. That's a very good thing to see. Normally things go up when the social analytics and more people are talking about it and hype. That's really what a lot of things are going up to. But I do want to move this sell zone down. I'd probably sell around 80 cents before the support level hits. Okay, before the support level hits right here, just in case it doesn't fully break out of it. And then have another sell zone around 95 cents, so that when it does hit, you guys get a sell zone there. And that's a pretty good trade for you guys to do. I'm not the biggest fan of TLM, but I might put in a trade on them. I'm not 100% sure. Just wanted to throw that one out there. Let me get some coffee in the system. All right, so let's go over a few other small caps that we're really looking at right now. Okay, so VRA had some news today. Veracity, guys. Veracity had some news, and what I see with them happening very soon. All right, their charts are really looking good. Okay, these gaming companies are going to be having a breakout, I believe, in the next 2 weeks. We're going to see these gaming companies have a breakout. If not, we're probably going to see a dip with Bitcoin, probably going to go down to 3,000 or 4,000, and then these will probably go down 10-20%. But then we're going to see a breakout after that. And I really do see that happening with VRA. But that's why I'm so heavy on Ethereum and ETC right now, guys. Just because with Bitcoin right now, if Bitcoin takes a 2 to 3% dip, you want to know what doesn't matter? Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum's not affected by it right now. And it's always a smart thing to be taking profits, guys. That's why, because Bitcoin's super volatile right now. A lot of people think this is the leg up from Bitcoin, but I could see the opposite opinion with that. But I do see VRA breaking out to around, I would say around 30% or 40% breakout within the next 2 weeks. And with their news coming out with the new listing, we will really be able to see, especially during this bull run, if that happens. I would say around an 80 to 90% breakout in a few days with that news coming out. But I really want you guys to know that there's other gains out there right now You guys just have to hold a small position in BRA. You guys have to hold a small position in these small caps, and you guys have to be going for these high caps right now. These small cap gains will come eventually, right? And when they dip, throw a little bit into the ones that you guys are bullish on. Throw a little bit of allocations in the ones that we're bullish on. You know, make that little small bag a little bit bigger, and that'll help cover your losses and get you guys more gains, especially because they're going to a lot of these that haven't rose that I'm bullish on are probably going to be rising. Okay, when this altcoin season really hits these small caps, all of them will rise. Basically, all of them will rise. If they don't rise, we're pulling our money out of them. It's okay. We took a loss, and then we're throwing it into some other small caps that are going to be rising. So I'm just very bullish on BRA. I know their company. I've been investing in them for a while, and I know exactly, guys, what their plan is. And their plan is going to be able to have them 10x easily within the next, I would say, 4 to 5 months. If that news gets released 4 to 5 months from now, they'll 10x by then. But I really do see that news coming out sooner or later, guys, sooner or later. And I don't want to sell them, guys. I don't. And if they're not going to release that news coming soon, I'm probably going to. Just because I don't want to wait any longer. Getting a little impatient right now, but we'll have to see, guys. All right, so yeah, we're doing good in the market right now. I'm gonna get working on these tutorial videos for you guys. I have really covered everything. Exactly what we're doing with these trades. We do have another Solana buy available, by the way. Buying Solana, selling it when it pumps up 20 to 30% right now would not be a bad idea. Dollar cost average in case of what we see going on with Bitcoin. But yeah, we really are looking pretty good in the market. It's healthy, guys. It's completely healthy to see Bitcoin drop down a little bit, guys. We saw it hit 56. That's completely healthy. That's good. We love to see a little bit consolidation after a run up, okay, or else we're going to see a large drop off, and we don't want to see that. So completely healthy what we're seeing right now in the market. And this is the main thing right here. Ethereum's up, guys. We got Ethereum. We have most of our portfolios in Ethereum Classic and Ethereum, and that's what we're really betting on. We saw Ethereum break out of that consolidation a little bit, and it looks like it's going to go on another run. So I'm going to be ending the stream there. Hope you guys are having a great day, and make sure to check out my tutorial videos, guys. I'm going to be doing tutorial videos you guys could really use. It's a free course, guys. I want you guys to be able to not have to ask me too many questions. You guys can just go watch a video, literally learn all the fundamentals, all the basics that you need to know, and you guys can become successful if you just put in the time and you put in the effort, okay? So have a great day, guys.